Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making chicken cordon bleu with spinach pasta and a Ninja Speedy. Alright, I'm starting out on my Ninja Speedy. We're going to start with the pasta part first. I'm going to dump in 1 cup of milk in the pan. I'm going to dump in 3 cups of chicken broth. And on this rare occasion I'm measuring it out. So there's 2 cups. And 1 more cup will make 3. Because with the Speedy, you have to be precise when you're cooking pasta with your amounts of liquid, so it turns out right. Now I'm also going to add in, grab a spoon, I'm going to add in a 16-ounce jar of Alfredo sauce. You can use any brand you like. I'm just using a Walmart brand. Alright. Now I'm going to add in, I'm using my McCormick's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. If you don't have this, just put a little salt and pepper in a taste. I'm going to put in about 1 teaspoon. I'm going to give that a quick stir. Get everything all blended. Now I'm going to add in a 1-pound box of dry ziti pasta. And I'm going to add in some baby spinach. I'm going to go for about 2 cups worth of baby spinach. About right. You just want to stir that and combine everything. And that spinach will wilt down as it cooks. Stub one off of there. Okay. Now I'm going to take the tray that came with this and pull out the little legs on it to put at the elevated position. And I'm going to sit that down in there. Now we're going to move on to the chicken. Alright, I have some thin sliced chicken breast here. And I'm going to start out by taking a slice of Swiss cheese and sticking it in here. And I'm just going to fold that over so it'll fit. And I have some really thin sliced deli ham. I'm going to put 2 slices in each one. And measure out the exact amount of ham and cheese you're going to need, because if you handle it after you handle this chicken, anything that's left over will have to go in the trash if you touch it. I'm just going to go ahead and roll my chicken up like so. I have some flour. I'm going to dip it in the flour. You want to be careful here because it's a little loose. Just keep a hold of your chicken. I'm going to dip it in some egg. And then I'm going to dip it in some Italian seasoned panko breadcrumb. You can't get panko, regular Italian seasoned breadcrumb will work just fine. I'm going to go ahead and place this in the top tray of the Ninja Speedy. And I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of my chicken together and get it in there. Alright, now that I have my chicken in there, I'm going to close my lid down. We're on air fryer. I'm going to switch it up to rapid cook. Alright, I'm going to turn this on. Now we're on Speedy meals, that's where we want to be. I'm going to set my temperature at 375 and we're going to set the time for 15 minutes. Now what this will do is it'll build of steam. It'll cook the pasta in there, get that all nice and cooked together. Then it'll switch over to air fry. The steam will help cook the chicken and the air fry will crisp it. Alright guys, this is done. I'm going to pull my chicken out to this side on a plate, lift up that tray, stir the pasta, and we'll go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Let me give this a try. I'm going to start with the pasta first. Cheesy, well seasoned. You get that good Alfredo flavor through there. Pasta's tender. That's really delicious, guys. Try some of this chicken. Look how crispy that looks. You hear that crisp? It's a nice cross cut. See the ham in there? Cheese is melting out. I'm going to get this piece with the ham in it. really delicious. The chicken's tender and moist, crispy on the outside. You get that creamy Swiss cheese, the ham. Guys, that was really easy. It's really delicious. One pot meal. Alright, chicken cordon bleu with spinach pasta and then just Speedy. Thanks for watching and supporting me. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.